Fastrak brings you more eco-friendly benefits than any other pipette tip refill system, and is extremely easy to use. It is available in a wide range of formats and sizes. These are clearly identified on the shelf by the color-coded labels. The Fastrak box is made from 100% recycled fibers and is printed with soy inks to eliminate heavy metals, making it much more environmentally friendly than other plastic enclosed refills. Internally, Fastrak consists of a supporting base, which is made from bioplastic resin that sequesters 2.5 times its weight in carbon dioxide. This is both biodegradable and recyclable. The thin, individual wafer tip layers use 80% less plastic than other systems. And the unique transfer tip cover keeps tips clean and ensures no contamination from hands or the atmosphere. Despite its light construction, the Fastrak design ensures the tip tower remains stable on the benchtop. Refilling empty pipette tip racks takes just seconds. Simply lift, place, and click. It's so easy and so quick. The tip wafer engages in the locator pegs of the robust rack. This locks the refill in place for complete stability. The outer box is reclosable to protect the remaining tips during storage, so you only need to rack the tips as you require them. The racks are autoclavable and have a secure but easy to open lock latch. The color-coded tip wafers enable easy recognition of tip size on the bench. Find out more at our website. Visit www.alphalabs.co.uk/Fastrak.